Hello marketers, welcome to my review channel SoftSpot Reviews. AI Face Fusion Review, an in-depth look. AI Face Fusion is a revolutionary application that leverages artificial intelligence to create captivating and emotion-driven face videos. This review explores how AI Face Fusion works, its key features, and how it can significantly enhance your marketing efforts. What is AI Face Fusion? AI Face Fusion is software designed to generate engaging face videos using advanced AI technology. This tool allows users to produce high-quality videos that connect with diverse audiences. Across various niches, AI Face Fusion represents the future of marketing, enabling businesses to engage their target audience in ways previously unimaginable. Overview of AI Face Fusion. AI Face Fusion, created by Yogesh Agarwal, is priced at $17.95 for the front-end package, with several optional upgrades available. These upgrades include the Pro Edition, DFY Edition, Automation Edition, One-Click Traffic Booster, Click Design Edition, Vocal Clone Edition, Multi-Marketer Edition, and Reseller Options. Each upgrade adds unique features to enhance the video creation experience. Key features of AI Face Fusion.
AI Face Creator Modes, 3 distinct modes for creating stunning face video clips tailored to different trends and customization needs.
Image and video uploads. Users can upload images and capture real face videos to build trust and authority with their audience. Advanced AI Image Technology. Utilize cutting-edge technology to create highly engaging human images in any niche. Script writing with AI. The built-in AI, including ChatGPT, helps users create compelling scripts. Custom voiceover. Add personalized voiceovers to videos, enhancing engagement and authenticity. Background removal tool. One-click background removal allows users to change scenes with realistic backdrops. One-click subtitle. Generator. Easily add subtitles to make content more accessible and engaging. Social lead generation system. Capture leads directly from videos with automatic sync to selected autoresponders. Video customization. Add text, logos, and other elements to videos for brand alignment. Free lifetime updates, continuous improvements, and new features at no extra cost. How AI Face Fusion works. Create exceptional face images. Use AI Face Fusion to generate amazing face images using advanced AI technology. Craft exciting scripts. Leverage AI and ChatGPT to create engaging scripts. Record customized voiceovers. Add personalized voiceovers to make videos sound more authentic. Background replacement. Easily switch out backgrounds with realistic scenes. Boost engagement with subtitles. Use the one-click subtitle generator for wider reach. Dynamic video editing. Edit videos with text, logos, and other elements directly on the platform. Lead generation system. Capture and sync leads with autoresponders from created videos. Social media exposure. Create YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels to drive organic traffic. Diverse language support. Create videos in over 100 languages to tap into global markets. Traffic and sales. Use AI-generated face videos to drive traffic and sales from various platforms. Benefits of AI Face Fusion. First mover advantage. Stay ahead of competitors with cutting-edge technology. Organic traffic from social media. Boost traffic from YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. Enhanced reach and engagement. Create videos that resonate with your audience. Automation and customization. Save time with automated video creation and customization. Scalability. Build a vast library of engaging videos. Global language accessibility. Reach international audiences with multi-language support. Niche applications. Create videos for various niches like pet care, sports, and motivation. Lead generation and management. Drive and manage leads effectively. Brand authority. Develop credibility with personalized video content. User-friendly. No professional editing skills required. Real-time background removal. Add visual appeal with one-click background changes. Wider audience reach with subtitles. Make content accessible with auto-generated subtitles. High engagement with music and audio files. Enhance videos with an extensive audio library. Traffic generation techniques. Utilize proven methods for increased viewership. Monetization. Generate revenue through engaging face videos. Lead synchronization. Sync leads with autoresponders seamlessly. Customize marketing tactics. Boost traffic and virality with effective strategies. Continuous updates. Stay updated with new features and improvements. Pros and cons of AI Face Fusion. Pros: unlimited traffic. Generate countless eye-catching videos for unlimited traffic. First mover advantage. Stay ahead with industry-leading technology. Wide range of niche videos, creative videos for various niches. User-friendly, accessible to beginners and professionals alike. Free lifetime updates. Access continuous improvements without extra charges. Cons: limited time. Pricing. One-time price and commercial license are limited. Market saturation. Risk of market saturation with similar content. FAQ. Q. How long does it take to create a face video with AI Face Fusion? A. The process is quick, taking just a few minutes. Q. Can AI Face Fusion videos be used commercially? A. Yes, they can be used for commercial purposes. Q. Are there technical prerequisites for using AI Face Fusion? A. No, it is user-friendly and requires no technical skills. Q. Does AI Face Fusion support other languages? A. Yes, it supports over 100 languages. Q. Is there ongoing support and updates for AI Face Fusion? A. Yes, users receive free lifetime updates and 24/7 support. Recommendations. AI Face Fusion is a powerful tool for creating interactive, attractive videos suitable for various audiences, whether you're a marketer, content creator, business owner, or social media enthusiast. AI Face Fusion offers a perfect solution to boost traffic and engagement. Its wide range of features and ease of use make it a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their visual content marketing with AI-generated face videos. Thanks for reviewing my AI Face Fusion.